If you have a house in New Franklin, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying houses in and around New Franklin. And in this video, I'm just going to explain kind of why so many sellers in New Franklin prefer to work with us rather than working with a traditional buyer who might be working with a real estate agent and might be working with some kind of mortgage lender that's involved, because that could create a lot of hoops for you to jump through, and people just don't. It's all unnecessary. So when you sell to us, we're a direct buyer, and we're going to buy your house in New Franklin in its as-is condition. So that means you don't got to fix anything. There's no going to the Home Depot. You don't need to clean anything. So there's no pulling out the Windex and the paper towels. You don't need to run a broom or a mop across the floor, and you don't need to haul anything away. So take anything that you want out of the house. Anything that you simply don't want or don't need can be left behind for us to take care of for you. The best part is you don't have to come out of pocket whatsoever for this sale to happen. And what allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition is we're a cash buyer. So there's no third-party approval, there's no bank involved, there's no mortgage lender or anything like that. Typically with a traditional buyer, first off, they're going to be working with a real estate agent. That real estate agent is going to expect some commission, and that very easily could be coming from you. That's money that's out of your pocket. There's no commissions with us. But also with a traditional buyer, if they're using a mortgage or a lender, that's a bank. I think we both know that a bank has their own best interests in mind, so they're going to send this formal inspector through your house. They're going to nitpick the house, they're going to scrutinize the house, and they're looking for everything they possibly can find that's wrong with the house to report it back to this bank. And if this transaction with a traditional buyer survives the inspection, well, now you got the appraiser to come through, and the appraiser oftentimes works for the bank, and they're going to find anything they possibly can to cancel this, right? I mean, they got to protect themselves. That's how they work. They don't care about you, and they will find anything they possibly can to pull the rug out from under this thing, cancel it, and it's going to leave you high and dry, and now you're right back to where you started. And in real estate, time is money, because even every day that ticks by where you're not sure if this thing's going to close, well, first off, there's opportunity cost, because you need that money, right? You should work with some certainty here so you get your hands on the money. You could go reinvest or pay anything that you need to. But every day that goes by is costing you money, because there's insurance, there's property taxes. It's like you just got to get this thing done. So when you work with us here, you're going to have certainty the entire time, and you're always going to know where we're at in the process. So if you have a house in New Franklin that you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, or at least if you just want to see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. That's because we were founded in Columbus, but we buy houses fast for cash in New Franklin, Ohio. We're also in Akron, Canton, and across the whole state of Ohio. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your closing timeline. And that's important because you close when you want to with us. There's no third-party approval. If you need or want to close quickly, we could accommodate that. Or if you need flexibility, we got to set a future date, we can accommodate that as well, because it's a true cash purchase here. So you tell us when you want to get everything wrapped up. We're going to accommodate your needs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in New Franklin. If our offer works for you, great. We will get this thing done. If our offer does not work for you, then we'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's no pressure, there's no obligations, there's no, sales tactics and gimmicks and games. We're not some call center who's located in some foreign distant land who's following a script here. No, we're local home buyers, and we've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people just like you. We have tons of positive reviews and testimonials and references for you, and we're going to treat you fair from the very first phone call all the way up until we get to the closing table where we get this thing done for you. So if you have a house in New Franklin that you want to sell, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.